In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your McDonald's gift card balance. This is a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity and precision. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar, type in McDonald's gift card balance, and hit enter. This search will bring up a list of results. It's important to be specific in your search terms to avoid unnecessary links. Now you should see various links in your search results. Look for the official McDonald's website link. It's crucial to ensure you're clicking on the correct link to avoid any misleading sites. The official site will usually have a familiar layout and trusted URL. Once you've found it, go ahead and click to open the page. This ensures you're on a safe and legitimate site. Once you're on the McDonald's website, take a look at the top of the page. You'll see a menu bar with several options. Here you'll want to click on More. This section often contains links to additional resources and information that aren't immediately visible on the homepage. After clicking More, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the gift cards option and click on it. This section specifically deals with everything related to McDonald's gift cards, from buying them to checking balances. In the gift card section, you will see an option labeled Check Your Card Balance. Click on this link. This step is pivotal as it takes you directly to the balance checking page. Here, you'll be able to enter your card details to find out how much is left on your gift card. Now, on the balance checking page, you will need to enter your Arch card number. This number is unique to your card and is usually found on the back. Be sure to type it in carefully to avoid errors. Along with the card number, you'll also need to enter your PIN. The PIN is typically a 4-digit number located near the card number. Both these details are essential to access your balance. With those details entered, go ahead and click on Check Balance. This action will prompt the system to retrieve your current card balance. You should see your balance displayed on the screen shortly after. It's a good idea to double-check the numbers you entered if nothing appears, as a small mistake can lead to incorrect results. This process is important because knowing your card balance helps you manage your spending and ensures you have enough funds for your next meal at McDonald's. It's a straightforward method, but sometimes these little details can make a big difference. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your McDonald's gift card balance. Remember, keeping track of your gift card balance helps you plan your visits better and avoid any surprises at the checkout. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, take care and enjoy your meals at McDonald's.